Duck, the Great Western engine, was puffing along the line enormously. It was off to find some trucks. "This is the life," he said to his driver. "No wonder I'm gonna find some trucks." But Duck was wrong. The trucks were still grumbling as Duck arrived to find them. "Hey, you back there! You're just a small green engine of ideas above your station." Duck was so angry that he was only trying to behave to the trucks. "I need to take you away," he said. "This time I'm gonna crash." "What? No!" But Duck had many ideas. "Watch me do it," he said. "Then I'll show you how it's done." Suddenly, Duck came so fast that bang! Ooh! Ow! What did I tell you? I hope somebody comes to help soon.